So yes, Mr. Bev Production, just giving you an idea. So this is the rice and this is the flour. This is the rice. This is the cornmeal. So you have right here, you have 6 cup soup, you have 5 crackers, you have 10 sardine, you have syrup, and you have some bun and some Shirley biscuit right here. You also have some 3 butter bean, 3 lasco, 5 corned beef. You have 3 baked beans. You have the sugars, about 10 bags of these sugars for 1 package. Also a case of water. Three Protex. You have a big toothpaste and 4 tissue. And also a big pack of washing detergent.
Okay, my powerful MVP family, your girl Miss Bev is here again. Good evening. It's Sunday evening, and in a few hours we'll be back to work. Weather is cold, but gotta do what we gotta do, right? And do what we love to do. Doesn't matter hot or cold, warm or what is it? Hot or cold or whatever. Alright guys, so I'm back with this video because heard from Reid. He shared with me the receipts of what he bought. As I said, we're giving thanks, and I just want to thank all of you who donated. As I said, I sent $155,000. We still have $300 I'm trying to put together to see if I can send something for Kayla. So we're just going to keep adding to that. And as we also continue to contribute, please share out the videos and share it out. And share out I'm going to resend the GoFundMe link. And I'm just asking that everybody just please share the GoFundMe link. A word of mouth, just ask them to go in and just contribute or give you some things you could contribute to helping one person. We're not doing 5 houses, to help one person rebuild her home for her and her children. Again, thank you all so much for your love and your support. For those who are less fortunate, that the blessings are there. I know you have experienced many, many blessings already, and there's just still more to come, because that's how God works. When you do for those who are in need, as the Bible asks us to do, because that's one of the principles, that we should look out for those who are in need, especially in these times when it wasn't any fault of their own. Things happen, and the outcome is just what it is. People are devastated. People are still living substandard. And so any little help is much in the eyes of God. So you'll see what he did, and you'll see how much the package is going to be looking like. As I said, one person, because I'm not going to discuss her situation, she needs the funds to get some other things, to get some things done. And so we decided to give her just toiletries and the cash. Reid again, I said, I cannot expect him. He went out by himself, he got the shopping done, he lugged it home, he unpacked them. We cannot pay people to do, but we have to encourage people to do. He's going to be driving. He lives in St. Elizabeth, which is why I connected with him years ago. And so he's going to be driving from his place, and Springfield is no chump change. Springfield is up in the hills, guys. It's rural Jamaica. So he's going to be driving up there. He's going to he says he'll take the New Market route and then go up through that area up there and then come all the way down and to get to these people where the location we're dealing with. So I did tell him to put gas back in his tank so he gets a portion of cash. And that will support because I will need him to make more trips up there because he will need to go look at the lady whose house is totaled. It's not just her roof that's gone, but the house is totaled. And I think he has some change left that we'll see how much tarpaulins are for and see if we can get a couple tarpaulins as well. We check it out. One sheet of zinc is 4,500. And so I want to give 2 persons, not 3 or 5 or 6, 2 persons. I want to give them some zinc for the top of their house. Again, I talk about one young lady whose husband passed away, and her roof is still there covered with a piece of tarpaulin. So if we can help one rebuild, I think we'll do a lot. If we can give some zinc just to cover back a roof, I think we have made a difference, and so I thank each and every one of you for the love, for your kindness, and for your support always. Thank you. And now, here are the videos for you to enjoy. Please leave a comment. Tell me how you feel. I'm posting everything. The receipts will be there, and what the amount of things that was bought, and what one portion is looking like. Again, I said we're not handing out to a lot of people because I didn't want to hand out a package that is one day meal or two, So I made the packages rich so that they can last a little bit longer. So tell me what you feel. We're only doing 5 people. Thank you. If you can be good, be careful, walk good, do good, live good, and share the video. Like the video, comment, and please subscribe and continue to help Miss Beth build. But I don't have sore throat. It's just the hoarseness, and I've still been drinking the Robitussin. I've had my garlic. I'm gargling with salt water. So please don't comment and say, oh, take care of yourself. I am taking care of myself. Believe me, I love me, and I embrace who I am. So I am. But that's how nature works. It's life. And I'm grateful that there's no pain. There's no fever. There's no nothing. It's just the hoarseness. Thanks to everybody for caring.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Just want to say thank you to Miss Bev Production and also to the donors. I received $155,000 from Miss Bev Production yesterday. So $100,000 will do some grocery shopping to get some care packages. Also, $30,000 will give to someone who needs some personal stuff. She also get damage from Hurricane Melissa. And $25,000. I am the one on the ground. I will get the $25,000 to get some gas and to move around. So stick and stay. I'm going to show you what we're going to get for the care package. I just want to say again, thank you, Miss Bev Production, and to all the donors. May God bless you in whatever you do, upward and onward. Each one help one. One love, one heart. A special thanks to you all. Keep safe and just stick and stay. Show no what go on. So I'll be going to in-town supermarket. I'm gonna show you what it's like, what I'm gonna get. So I'll be shopping at the wholesale today, so I'll get the price more cheaper. So this is some rice. This is about 15 pounds of rice. This is some tropical water. Getting some baked bean. Yes, my beautiful people, just want to say thanks again. Just do some shopping for the care packages. You can see me a sweat. So I'm going to show you what I get for our people that really in need in this time. Alright, so stick and stay and I'm going to see what I go on. Yo man, you can hear me a blow. It's a lot of work, my people. One love. Alright, so yes, my people, here is it. Yeah, man, showing what I go on. So the care package. You have a sardine, you have a crackers, you have a cooking oil, you have a water. Yeah, man, see them here. So this is it. Yeah, man, so you have some sugars, you have some sardines, you have some corned beef, you have some cooking oil, you have some baked bean, you have some syrup, you have some water crackers, you have some butter bean, you have some cup soups, you have some rice, you have some flour, you have some cornmeal. Oh, and in this goodie bag right here, you have some bun and cheese. Yeah, so you can see it, water. Yeah, man, showing what I want. So here's some people. Some soap powder here to see them with. So they can do some laundry. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, some toothpaste. Yeah, man, tissue. Butter bean. Yeah, man, we know the works. Yeah, man, so just do the right. About 5 cases of water there. So this is a supermarket in town, super center. So this is one of the bill. Take your time. Where you see the subtotal, right? That is $75,683.12. That is one of the bill. So this is the next bill. So the subtotal is $14,027.98. So you're gonna get $89,712. And the next bill, which is the subtotal right here, which is $5,800 $853.19. So you're gonna get off $95,566, which a balance would leave of $4,434 out of 100,000 to do the shopping. So this is the $30,000 for the person who's gonna get some personal items. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you know it's gonna be hard for me to check the money alone. So this is $30,000. So I'm gonna place the $30,000 in the envelope. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. To who it may concern, this is the $30,000 right here. And also, so this is the $25,000 for me. That's gonna do the run around and the shopping. So this 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You see? 2, 4, 5. So that is it, $25,000. So I want to say thanks to all the donors, and may God bless you all for all your support. One love, one heart. Each one help one. Upward, onward.